Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name is Dylan Taylor. This is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you why you may not want to be using a magic eraser to clean your colored shoes. Now, I've used magic erasers many times to clean many of my shoes, and it does an amazing job, especially around the rubber sole where it gets dirty and scuffed up, and it even takes grease and oil off of my shoes, so it's done an amazing job at that. I bought this pair of shoes for $8 at Goodwill, and it's a little bit messed up. They almost fit me, so I thought for $8, heck, why not add some more to the collection. But you see here, the red is starting to come off when I go to use it on the material part of the shoe. I noticed this and it made me stop doing what I was doing and quickly grabbed the heat gun to dry it off. I made sure not to let the shoe get too hot because I didn't want the sole to separate from the shoe because it's basically what a heat gun can do. It'll make adhesive fail, and that's how you get things off with a heat gun, so if you didn't know that, now you do. But heating it up to dry it off, I wanted to see if the shoe lost any color, and it didn't seem to. But when I compared it to the other shoe, it was a little bit smoother and less rough like it had been. So I decided to carry on. Definitely a lot more red came off of the shoe, and you can see that here. You have to use water with a magic eraser. Usually you'd use it under a tap instead of in a cup, but I did this in my studio where I don't have a tap, just so that you guys could see what I was actually doing. Now the shoe seemed to clean up pretty nice, but it was also wet while I was looking at it here. But once I dried it off with the heat gun again, it ended up looking okay. I don't think it lost too much red. There is quite a bit of red on the magic eraser itself, but that's something you should really watch for. Like I said, I bought this pair of shoes for $8, so it really doesn't mean anything to me. But if I had have paid retail for this, I don't know if I would want to clean it too many more times with a magic eraser. So keep that in mind and be safe with your shoes. That being said though, the rubber sole is going to be fine for using the magic eraser, and I use it all the time to clean all of my other shoes. So if you guys want to use those and you don't have one, go ahead and order one on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description so you can click on that and grab yourself one of these awesome sponges. Here's a comparison between the left one, which I had just done with the magic eraser, and the right one, which is a little bit rougher, and when I did clean it as well, it became smooth. So I think the red might have just been the fuzzy bits coming off of the shoe. I don't really know, but it did seem to lose a bit of color, as you can see in that picture. So that is where I'm going to end this video. I want to give a huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters, especially Randy, Robin Bird, and Mike Maxwell. And if anyone else wants to help support what I do or the videos that I make, Patreon is an amazing way to do so. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big ol' thumbs up. See you guys all next time. Peace out.